What's up, guys? Dropship Mitch here. Uh, Dropshipping isn't the only thing that I do. Today we're going to be going over, I got a sample box in from OemExperts. It's just a low-level entry sample box. They have tons and tons of other stuff. They're really good for a new seller trying to get into selling on marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon. I mean, these guys hook you up. I got a little bit of the first unboxing that I'll show you guys, but I think we'll bust over to some of the stuff that we have right here, right now, and we'll go through it. So as you see here, it's all name brand product. We got a little bit of the unboxing done. We transition back over. Just show you some of the stuff that they send in your boxes. I mean, this box was full. I got it scattered out all over now. I mean, here we got some lower end phone cases. Nothing wrong with these. OemExperts hooks them up. They throw them in there. But this is what I found really interesting. Now what we're looking at is the next life-proof box for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I mean, this is the type of stuff that they deal in. They'll get you ungated on Amazon. They'll really help you get your sales in. OemExperts here. Entry-level box. I mean, great for new sellers. There's a life case. I got a variety. I got electronics. I also got sporting goods sent to me. I mean, we got Spalding balls. Here's a finals regular size basketball. I mean, very good entry-level box. Did not spend much money at all. We got 5 of these bad boys. These are going for at least $60 a piece on Amazon right now. And they're ranked really high in sales, so I mean these should move like hotcakes. Very low money in. Get stuff like this out. These are refurbished Samsung Galaxy Buds. I got 3 of these here. 3 of them bad boys, all refurbished. Probably looking at $75 a piece just there. Of course, we got the case containers of these here, E-Series earbuds. They're going for about $9 a piece. I got 18 of these. All said and done, shipping, handling, I've calculated on those. Shipping and handling is going to be about $3.50. So, 9 minus $3.50 minus $1.40 for Amazon fees. The rest is all yours. Take that times 18. Good chunk of profit there. Got the balls. Yeah, it actually came in 3 Spalding balls. Very nice, all brand new, straight from the manufacturer. One of them aired up, of course. You know, this is a beautiful ball. This is gonna sell fast. Gonna sell fast. I mean, we got OtterBox here too. OtterBox. What's that for? That's for the Samsung Galaxy S8. People are still buying that S8. It's still a heavily sold phone, especially at places like Walmart, stuff like that. Prepaid people are getting into them now. So, I mean, we got some of these no-namers here. I bet you there's about $3, $4, maybe $5 profit each. I'm gonna have to check on them, but all in all, I'd say that this is a good haul for the money that I put into it, and we're gonna try to get some sales. So, to recap everything, very low entry-level box. I just wanted a sample box, got it sent out to me. If this is the type of stuff that they're gonna sell and deliver, as a new seller, obviously I'm into drop shipping, but I'm trying to get into storing my own inventory. The profit margin is much higher. These guys at OemExperts, these are the guys that you want to work with. I'm telling you, if there was ever a company to work with, I mean, they're not going to tell you what you're going to get right out of the box. It's take a leap of faith. These guys really came through, though. I mean, let's take a look here. I mean, it's just stuff everywhere. OemExperts, that's the place that you're going to want to go when you're getting into selling, reselling. They're going to hook you up, trust me.